In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure Google Ads campaigns the right way. This guide is designed to streamline your efforts and enhance your advertising success. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get started on elevating your Google Ads game. The very first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Google Ads website. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the central hub for managing your online advertising campaigns. With Google Ads, you're not just placing ads, you're setting up a blueprint for reaching customers effectively. To access the site, simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Ads, and you'll be on your way. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Right at the top right corner of the page, you'll see a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed in, you'll need your account credentials to do so. This step is crucial as it securely connects you to your personal campaign data and advertising tools. Now that you're signed in, you're officially inside the Google Ads home dashboard. This is your command center where you can view and manage your campaigns, gain insights into their performance, and make any adjustments as needed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. A little exploration can go a long way in understanding where everything is. The next step is to navigate to the campaign section. You'll find this in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to the area where you can create new ad campaigns or manage existing ones. Think of campaigns as your overarching categories for all the ads you'll be running. They help organize your efforts and make tracking results much easier. Once you are in the campaign section, you'll want to click on Assets. This area is vital for storing all the creative elements you'll use in your ads, such as images, videos, and logos. Keeping these assets well organized not only saves time but also ensures consistency across all your marketing efforts. Now, let's talk about ad extensions. They're essential tools for providing additional information and options right from your ad. To add or manage these extensions, click on the Add Extensions Setup option. Here you can choose from various types such as call buttons, location info, or website links, each designed to make your ad more comprehensive and appealing to potential customers. And there you have it. You've successfully structured a Google Ads campaign. Following these steps ensures that your advertising strategy is both organized and effective, setting you up for success in reaching and engaging your target audience. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy advertising.